Hi, I don't know if you can see this, but I've got a top here. And my top, as you can see, will keep spinning forever until an unbalanced force makes it stop. And that's an illustration of Newton's first law of motion. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to think of an example of Newton's first law of motion. I just showed you one, my top spinning. And that's going to be today's assignment. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this. So you're going to be in Google Classroom. Okay, and you're going to open up this assignment. It's going to look like this, only on your page it's going to look slightly different. It's going to have the directions and so on. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Google Drive and find your science slideshow. And you should have done it recently, so it should be fairly recent. If not, you can go up here and search, type in science slideshow. So you can open that up. And it says science notebook, and if you will recall, the first slide has stuff about you, and this slide should be the one with your parachute. Shoot. Okay, and then you're going to make a new slide. And this one's going to be about Newton's first law of motion, so you can call it that. Newton's first law of motion. And then my example was a top. So I want to go over here and I want to search. No. And I'm going to search for a picture of a spinning top. Now you can't use a spinning top for your example because that's mine. Okay, so I like that one. And if you guys remember, you can do a double click. You can save the image. It'll save into your downloads. And then I'm going to drag that onto my slideshow and reposition it so that it fits neatly on my slide. And I'm not going to make you watch me get that just perfect, but yeah, I want that on my slide. And then I'm going to explain why that is an example of Newton's first law of motion. So it will keep spinning until friction, remember, because without friction, things would move forever. So it would move until friction makes it stop. Now, I don't have to talk about friction making something stop. I could talk about something that would go in a straight line forever. I could talk about something that would stay at rest forever until an imbalanced force makes it change. So it's up to you how you want to describe the example. Now, when I put that on my slide, I'm not done. I have to turn it in, and that's the part where you guys are struggling. So I had Mr. Dorhout make a sample assignment for me. It's my very own assignment. It's called Assignment Temp. So I open up the assignment, and now you've got it over there in your science world, but your screen looks a lot like this, and you've got this place over here in the right-hand corner that says your work, and you're going to click Add or Create. And you're going to find it in your Google Drive. Now it's going to be really recent because you just worked on it. Okay, so it shows up right there. I don't want any old slideshow. I want this slideshow. So you're going to choose that. And down here it says Add. Trust me on that, it says Add. And then I click Turn it in. Turn in. do make sure that you are turning it in under assignment 3, and you're done. There you go. All right, good work. And I'll look forward to seeing what you have for me. Have a great day.